Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can create yourself an Aramex account. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Aramex app on your phone. So after opening it here, you can see the first thing that you have to do is enter your phone number. And after typing down the phone number, all you have to do is tap on the go button right here. Here you can see now a verification will be required, so simply just solve this puzzle in order to verify. And just like this, you will be getting a verification code on your SMS. Simply tap on the notification and then you will be able to see verification code just like this. So 6185 is my verification code. Simply go back to the app and type it down. After adding down the verification code, now here you can see you have to add down your email address. And after adding down your email address, now you have to create yourself a strong password for your Aramex account. In order to confirm your password, you have to type down your password one more time. So after you have typed down the password 2 times, you have to tap on these agreements that you can see right here. Tap on both boxes just like this. And after you have done that, now tap on the submit button right here. And just like this, here you can see you have now successfully created yourself Aramex account. You can tap on this option, my account, and then tap on this view and edit my profile. And here you can see your phone number and email address has been registered and you have created yourself an Aramex account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.